So Lucy's just suggested that I change rooms from Suite F here, the penthouse suite on the 4th floor. And this is Suite F, where I stayed one night. So Mario here, gracias Mario, for the other room. He's gonna upgrade me to a nicer room, hey? And because the water's just not running here properly, we're not getting good water flow. We're getting some problems with water.
Hay que poner un tapón en la regadera y que mejor pase a la de otra, porque ahí le gana igual la presión, tira más para acá que para allá. La taponeamos, abre la caliente y va a pasar a la fría.
So this is the room here that I slept one night in, Suite F here. The windows are all blacked out, painted black. And this is the view. It's on a very busy road, the main road, so there's a lot of road noise here. So I'll miss seeing all the action, but I'll probably sleep much better not hearing the road noise. That's pretty much all night long and starts very early in the morning. So let's go check out Suite C here. Suite C is a little more deluxe, a little nicer than this suite. Hey, Suite C is muy bien, eh? See, and here's the community.
Mantenimiento allá.
And here's another suite here, D, across the way, and they're renovating this suite here. You can see they're under renovation here. This will be another suite with another nice full-size bathroom in here with big shower area and a little sink in here. Nice little setup there.
Estados Unidos, Canadá.
See, YouTuber to Canada. And so we're going to be going into Suite C, which is just down the aisle here from the kitchen. So this is Suite C here. It's got a little desk area where you come in, the entranceway. And then it's got a little partitioned off area here. Then it's got your Mexican TV with 6 channels from the antenna. And here's the bed that you get. I'd say it's a double-sized bed, not quite queen. Some nice artwork here on the ceiling, so a little nicerly decorated than the other room. And it's got a little wardrobe area over there, a place to hang your clothes, which the other place didn't. It's got a really kick-butt fan. Those fans really pump out the air. And then the view here, not of the busy main street here, but it's actually looking out the back into the PTL area. So I think that'll be a much quieter view out that window there. Nice little sink area here. And we even got the toilet positioned the right way, not pointed into the shower like in the other suite. So this looks like a much nicer suite, I would say. And I'm happy that Lucy was able to change rooms for me here. And so you've got the mirror there so you can look at yourself and make sure you look presentable when you head out. And this is what it looks like looking back here from being up against the sink and looking out. So yeah, things are looking up here in Puerto Vallarta. We got a bit of a nicer place here to stay in. So now I got to move my stuff out of the Suite F here. So we'll get moving on moving the stuff out of Suite F. There's their laundry room here where they do all their laundry. Wash all their sheets and linen. And here's the suite I'm moving out of. So a little bit of an upgrade, no extra charge. Gotta love it. Never know what you're gonna run into or who you're gonna see on Budget Traveler. Stay tuned for more new and exciting videos from Puerto Vallarta.